Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Motorola Moto G52. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app, enter Google Classroom. Select this app and install it. Open our app, get started. Here you can choose account for this classroom or add another one. I'm gonna stick with that one. After that, click on this plus button and then join class. Here you will need to enter the class code, and after that click on join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.